label.
Then we skirt.
Let's go crazy with you in this sound. The bluest college.
Barbie.
Hi Ken.
I'm not a Ken.
I'm not a Barbie. I'm wearing blue because it's Barbie and I'm Ken apparently.
Kenneth. So he's wearing blue.
I'm wearing blue.
Because he doesn't want to wear pink. I'm wearing pink.
What are you wearing, girl?
I'm wearing pink for Barbie. And black for Oppenheimer. But Oppenheimer is banned.
We're
both wearing dogs.
Mine's cheap though.
What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
Fake.
those were thrifted. Look at the bee. I have a bee.
Bee?
Bee.
Oh, ini apa? Ada kayak laba-laba gitu.
What? Summer essential. Because it's hot. Show me. Cafe
Easy.
called Daisy. What? So you park there? I'm so funny.
So funny.
So it's in Oita and we live in Beppu, and every time we go here, before we even get to walk to the cafe,
Someone sees a ramen shop. Someone sees a ramen shop, and we usually, I'm in the mood for ramen today.
yeah, I usually.
Let's not go to Daisy.
Okay, that someone is me.
Obviously.
And so-
so good.
This is our first time going there.
Oh, it's there. Why didn't you just say so?
Where is it?
It's nyebrang. I need better lighting so I look handsome. Dah, gini rekam bentar terus buka. I look better now. We're going to Daisy Cafe. The owner is Daisy. Is a friend of ours. We met at APU.
Oh yeah, she's from England. I think she's
England.
in England now.
Yeah.
Wait, where is it?
Astaga.
Ah, wait, it's small.
Di sini ada.
We didn't yoyaku. What's yoyaku?
We didn't know. We thought it was gonna be big.
Yeah, it was a small place. We couldn't get in. No!
Going
Now I'm
sana,
hungry.
Sana.
We're going to another cafe/restaurant. Mari kita lihat dua-duanya. We're either going there or
Nail
there.
school. Perempuan Dia nggak bawa kucingnya apa nggak sih?
So we wanted to buy hamburger bento, but then the person was like, "What is this?" And then we were like, "Korokke bento," and then he said, "What is this?" And then okay, we'll just buy 2 korokke. He suddenly gave us this because he said he felt bad.
Kayak kita sendiri yang makan ini ya, bener-bener. Wah, ngomong. Ada 2 itu.
Ada 2?
Iya.
Oh.
Masih cewek juga.
Ikut.
Membeli apa? Membeli apa?
We're going
Mana gini?
I was trying to order Starbucks. If
Pakai
there's
shot juga?
Starbucks there, yes. Wait, no shots.
Yes.
I also feel hot. Thank you. Get to recording. Let's go.
Go away. Parfum baru.
We're going there next. I bought my summer perfume. I'm going to show you later. So they gave me this white lavender and it smells good. So I decided to buy this perfume instead of my usual perfume that I've bought 2 summers in a row.
New chapter in life.
At Shibuya Crossing? I'm going to try this pair of cargo pants. Not sure I like it.
Barbie.
Mau for Barbie.
Ken.
Atau yang itu? Neutral. We just took pics at 99 Film and it was really cute.
It was really cute.
Coba yuk.
Udah kayak asli, udah kayak yang baru gak sih?
I think this is baru.
My leg getting this.
Did you just give birth?
Yes.
I think a baby just cried somewhere. Okay.
Jaga ini. Pizza. Oh, ada pizza banyak. Pi.
Le Blanche Blanc. It's no flop, guarantee no flop. I love it too.
Not you, my subscribers.
Another Le Blanche Blanc. Happy song.
It's one sad.
One I'm ignored.
Who's the Nami? Terus dia ngasih tahu, terus this guy, we have to start earlier than we expected. Terus akhirnya beneran. Kan berarti bohong kan, the guy kan. Akhirnya mereka semua bilang, so everyone. Terus
Terus ticket for Barbie 2 please. The movie starts at 8:40.
20. 20? 20?
20 more
Okay,
minutes.
baby girl.
We're going to go now actually because we need to go to the bathroom and buy snacks.
Snacks. So, Barbie, I'm Ken.
時間が5分ぐらいかかるんですけど、大丈夫ですか？